Okay, this is the Prime Jet. The last motor I had in it was just a little teeny thing. It was a Racer Star BR 1504 2300 with a 4540 prop on it. And if I tried to put a bigger prop on it, it just couldn't handle it. And I fly this on 3S, 450 to 500 milliamp. This new motor is a bit bigger, BR 2403 2300. And I'm swinging a 6045 prop on it. And we'll see how this goes. I don't care if I crash it because the plane airframe is about $1, not even that. So we shall see. Pretty good feeling about it, but I've had good feelings before and have been sorely disappointed. So let's give her a shot here. Oh yeah. Could still use some more nose weight, I guess. That's at about 40% throttle. It's a fun little plane for the cost. Wow. It is a little twitchy. And it's so small that it disappears quite quickly too. Too far away from my comfort. Wow, that's going to be a long look.